Yo, it's your boy Game. You know, great GAMER G498 here. Today we're gonna play fun stack, and so shut up. And so when was the last time I made a video? I don't remember. So we're gonna play some stack. Hold on, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. So we're gonna play some stack. So, yeah. So keep on doing it. Doing it like a beast. We're doing it like a beast already. So I basically have to stack these. Like this, like a beast. Oh, no, like a, that's fine. Let's see if I can beat that. Oh, come on. Bust him. So not only playing one game today, we're gonna play okay, so I'm gonna be right. Okay, we're gonna play some Flappy Bird. Okay. As I see people play this, you jump through the Mario pipes and get your new high score. So good people. So that's why people get raging over this game. Okay. I will not rage. No, don't touch me. No, I ain't getting mad. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. There we go. Yes. Ooh, you're going way too. Stop it. Yes. Yeah, Flappy. One eye Flappy. Yes. Game over. Yes. It will be game over. Stop it. Ooh. This is why people keep raging over this game. And I don't know. Yes. Stop. Yes. No! Stop. Yes. I hate birds. I hate yellow birds. Stop it. Yes. No! Go! Yes. Yes! 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 You play it. Yeah, that's how you play it. That's how you play it. Oh, stop it. Yep, I'm ending this. Get in. Good, you. When I hear Flappy, you go happy. When we go Flappy, Mario comes out. Why did I pick this game? Why did I pick it? Wow! Get there! Ah! What's more? Dun 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 I'm dead. I hate you. Get up there. Dun 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 dun. Mario comes out on the pipes. I tapped the screen. Alright. No, stop. You stop right now. I'm the one controlling you. Oh, I'm the one controlling. Let's go to the middle. I don't wanna work. I just wanna break this phone all day. I don't wanna work. I just wanna break this phone all day. I hate you. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. 24K magic in the air. You need a life, Flappy Bird. Get a life, Flappy Bird. You're one-eyed bird. That's what you are. That's what you are. One more time. One more time. I will end this. I will end you. I will. Okay. Gonna keep on. Keep on. Yes. 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 Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, dude, perfect. Never blame that. If they make a Flappy Bird, tell me to never play it. I will never play it. Yeah! Yes, that's all we have for it. Yeah, we're gonna end it right here. Look there, one more time. Mario comes out of the pipes. Nope, no, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. What do these be, Flappy Bird? You gotta fall down. Alright, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. The game. I'm done. No. I am done. Look, nope. Keep up. I can't even talk about this. I can't even talk to this game for frustrated. Oh, okay, guys. Never find this game. Never play it. Don't force me to play any kind of Flappy Bird. We are not playing Flappy Bird. Okay, guys. Keep on gaming it up. Later, good gamers.